Text to speech, there are a couple of things Conmigo can now do. First of all, it can read back its response to you in the chat.
This fourth grade math course is designed to help you build a strong foundation in
And it can listen to the questions that students have. So rather than typing, students can now ask what they need. But why should it matter to me?
Great question. Math is everywhere in our lives, even if we don't always realize it.
I just want to show you how you can actually change the settings to a few different options. So if you go to preferences, you'll see that there are a couple of different options for Conmigo Voice. You already heard the first one. This is option 2.
Hello, I'm Conmigo. I use artificial intelligence.
And this is Conmigo version 3.
Hello, I'm Conmigo. I use artificial intelligence to help you learn with Khan Academy.